Tonight, what's being done about the affordable housing crisis in Colorado Springs? As Realtor.com reported this week, we are one of the fastest growing real estate markets in the entire country.
So the concern is, as more houses are built and costs continue to rise, those on low or fixed incomes will continue to be squeezed out of the market. News 5's Lena Howland live tonight at Emerald Towers, where folks are being kicked out right now, with a closer look at some possible solutions here at Lena.
Well, 10 of the 36 residents given a 30-day notice to leave their apartments here at Emerald Towers have not found a place to live yet, many of which surviving on a fixed income have paid the same rent for years now and haven't found anything similar. So we went to the city to find out what they're doing to create more affordable housing.
This is the tip of the iceberg.
36 seniors at the Emerald Towers apartment complex told to leave for good while their new managers can renovate. Displaced residents can apply to move back in when upgrades are complete at likely a much higher price.
It's going to happen more and more, and especially in these areas that are getting gentrified and going through urban renewal, like South Nevada. That's a place that's very, very much a target.
Richard Skorman, City Council President, now openly calling the affordable housing issue a crisis.
There's just not much available out there, so there is a real crisis.
He says his hope is that the city will ease up on some of the hoops builders have to get through.
Well, you have to do whatever you can to allow the market to build them. And they are economical if you don't have so many obstacles in the way and so many fees and so many ways that make it difficult for people to build accessory dwellings, for example.
The largest school district in Colorado Springs now stepping up to address these needs. D11 school board members unanimously voted Wednesday night to sell a vacant 22-acre plot of land near Wooten and Platt that was donated to them almost 2 decades ago. The buyer is the owner of the 40-acre plot of land next door.
So they're going to combine the two and build affordable housing.
The buyer, Don Bates, told the district he wants to enhance the neighborhood and address the community's need for affordable housing.
They always like to have a win-win for the community. They like to have a win for the district, they like to have a win for the community, and they like to have a win for the buyer. You know, and this is that.
And there could be more money available. If council decides to move forward with the Banning Lewis Ranch annexation deal on the east side of town, it could generate $49 million over the next 30 years. Money Skorman would be open to putting toward affordable housing.
Certainly some of that money could go towards affordable housing. A lot of cities have affordable housing trust funds, or they help with funding for some of these complexes, and there's a way that we can get more involved actively if we have the money to do it.
In the meantime, today is the deadline for seniors here at Emerald Towers to move out if they want that $500 bonus everyone else has until the end of the year. The city and other resources have started a fundraiser to help with the moving costs and deposits for these folks. So far, they've raised about $24,000, but hope to get to their goal of $36,000. We have posted more information on how you can help with that on our website at KOAA.com. Watching out for you in Colorado Springs, Lena Howland, News 5.